Hello everyone, this is how to make something move in Scratch. So let's get started. So, when space key pressed, up arrow, duplicate. When down arrow key is pressed, duplicate. When right arrow, and finally, when left arrow. I'll just clean it up a little bit so it's less messy. Then, go in motion and drag change X by. Drag that in the right arrow. Then scroll down and use change Y by for the up arrow. Then duplicate. But we don't want him to go up when he's meant to go down. So let's use a minus. Then let's drag the X block to the left arrow. Then also add a minus. Ta-da! He can move freely. But you can change it if you want to. So like it can be 90, 90. So he moves really big. While moving up and down really slow. Well, thank you for watching, guys. See you later on the next video.